it's Shelly from LaaTeeDa Sports, and I'm here to talk a little bit about our golf jacket. It's our fitted golf jacket. Super soft material, as with all of our clothes, and really stretchy. This golf jacket is a much more fitted cut than some of the jackets you might be used to, so you'll notice that it will fit your arms a little bit more snug. If you like jackets a little looser, then you might want to size up if you're looking at this particular piece. But it's like a warm hug. It's super soft, and it's really great because it's got side pockets on either side here that are wonderful. They can stash little things in there. It also has little pockets on either side as well. In the back of this jacket, you'll notice there's like a little venting in the back. Just kind of keeps the airflow go so that you don't get too sweaty, but at the same time, it's really nice and warm. It's really great for fall golf. And again, you can wear it on and off the course. And it's just a really super versatile jacket that has some really great stretch with it. And at the same time, it's very form-fitting and very flattering for those more athletic body styles. And you'll notice we just have very subtle LaaTeeDa golf patch right down here. You can find these on our website at LaaTeeDa.com. So go check it out.